This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Headlight bulbs renewal. Headlight unit removal. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the passenger's footwell. Lift the bonnet slightly, depress the safety catch, fully raise the bonnet and support it with the prop. Using the tool provided in the vehicle toolkit, undo the fastener and remove the wheel centre cap where fitted. Then, using the locking wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the workshop jack under the lower arm front mounting point with a piece of wood on the jack head. Then raise the vehicle until the tyre is clear of the ground. Place an axle stand under the sill flange at the jacking point, indicated by an arrow pressed into the sill. Remove the jack. If required, repeat this procedure on the other side of the vehicle. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Undo the two screws at the front edge, remove the remaining fasteners and remove the front section of the wheel arch liner. Undo the two screws at the lower edge of the bumper tray. Working on the left-hand side, disconnect the fog light wiring plug and unclip the battery vent pipe. Undo the bumper retaining bolt in the left-hand wheel arch and the bolt in the right-hand wheel arch. Prise out the plastic clip each side, then remove the two screws in the centre of the upper edge. Unclip the left and right-hand ends of the bumper, then, with the help of an assistant, withdraw it from the front of the vehicle. Remove the two bolts at the rear edge of the headlight and the two bolts along the inner edge. Disconnect the wiring plugs as the headlight is withdrawn. Dipped beam bulb. Remove the cover from the rear of the headlight. Pull the wiring plug from the terminals, then gently press the bulb to one side and withdraw it from the reflector. Insert the new bulb, aligning the lug on the flange with the cutout in the reflector socket, then press the wiring plug firmly onto the terminals and refit the cover. Main beam bulb. Remove the cover from the rear of the headlight, pull the bulb from the reflector and disconnect the wiring plug. Press the wiring plug firmly onto the bulb terminals, then insert the new bulb, aligning the lug on the flange with the cutout in the reflector socket, then refit the cover. Headlight unit refitting. Connect the wiring plugs at the rear of the headlight, then manoeuvre it into position. Ensure the locating peg at the rear of the headlight engages correctly. Refit the screws at the rear of the headlight and the screws along the inner edge. Tighten the screws securely. Before proceeding, check the operation of the headlights. Manoeuvre the front bumper into position, then refit the upper screws and plastic clips. Clip the outer edge of the bumper into place, then refit and tighten the bumper retaining bolt. Repeat this on the other side of the bumper. Tighten the screws along the lower edge of the bumper. Clip the battery vent hose back into place and reconnect the fog light wiring plug. Manoeuvre the wheel arch liner into position, then secure it with the plastic clips and the two screws at the lower front edge. Locate the wheel on the hub, then insert and lightly tighten the retaining bolts. Raise the vehicle and remove the axle stands. Lower the vehicle to the ground and tighten the bolts to the specified torque. Refit the centre cap and tighten the fastener. Remove the prop from the bonnet, then clip the prop into the storage bracket and close the bonnet.